Hey there, I'm excited to share an unboxing video. We have been doing something for users who report a bug in our product. Now, as long as engineering confirms it's a bug, and if we have to ship a fix for it, we are considering that a bug, and we are enrolling them in our cookie program. I thought it'd be fun to do an unboxing video and take back to my old hardware days. Because I used to work in computer hardware for about 6 years, 3D printers, and then Linux PCs. So we used to do a lot of unboxings, and we worked with a lot of creators, I think, before it was cool. All right, so here we go. Nice brown box. All right, a message for you. Let's see what this says here. Nice brown recyclable paper. We've got the receipt. Got a little postcard about the Grove Cookie Company. Menu and ingredients, that's a nice touch. There's a little QR code with more information about the nutrition and stuff, and then it's got all the details for all the different cookies on here if you've got a allergy or aversion to anything. Oh, I've got my little note in here. So it says, "We're sorry you found a bug in OutboundSync," and then I explained the bug they fixed. The fix is now live and in production. As a token of our appreciation, we want to send something sweet your way. Thank you. Cookies remain fresh 7 to 10 days after the date on the shipping label. Which this shipping label is July 18th, and then I'm opening this on July 22nd, so over the weekend. So it's still good for a few more days, although I suspect I'll be eating them as soon as I stop recording this video. A message for you, and then let's see here. Yeah, you can see our little logo on there, the note detailing it. Pretty cool. So as a branded exercise, let's see if I can get this to, okay. Got a little brand on there, and then here's our cookies. A 4-inch cube. And enhancing your cookies one relationship at a time, Marie and Grayson Hoggard, founders. Pro tip, reheat for 10 to 12 seconds in the microwave. Okay. On the side, it's got the flavors you ordered. I ordered those because my daughter is going to want the sprinkles. And then the founders, and there's the cookie company. So it's a nice mix. They throw your brand in there, but then they've also got, obviously, some of their own. It's good to know where the cookies came from. Made in Oregon. Okay, opening the box here. Okay, here's our open box. More paper. Okay, let's see this. Very securely wrapped. Ta-da! Yeah, so here's our little cookies. Everything came in great shape. I love the labels, love the printing quality. Definitely going to continue this program. So if you're a user and you find a bug in OutboundSync, let us know and you will get cookies. And I think probably the first person I saw post about it was Jen Allen. So thanks, Jen, for the idea. And yeah, if you're doing sales marketing stuff, I recommend it. I think it's nice to send something physical, tangible, and the process itself is pretty easy. So I spin up a page for the user, I send it to them, and they enter all their address information. Overall, it's been very easy. It's been very easy on the sending side, and now that I'm a recipient, I'm excited to eat the cookies. I am not going to eat them here in front of you because I just don't post that kind of content. But yeah, I'm excited to have the cookies. I'm going to eat them tonight. And Grove Cookie Company, I definitely recommend it. And good as a sender, good as a receiver, really easy. They came in a nice box. Box is in great shape. Check them out.